Hey guys, Saturday, February 8th, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow could do next week. It's been a while. I've messed around with the Black Widow. Figure I'd do a quick update for you guys. I wanted to look at the weekly. This is Elliott wave, by the way. My Elliott wave theory or trading chart. So looking at the weekly, we got a wave 5 here on February 23rd. It's like a A, B, C. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Stokes are very overbought. Obviously, you can see in the wave 3, it's reflecting that. You got this crossover to the downside. So that's where we're at on the weekly. On the monthly, it's even scarier because it's looking for a wave 4. So you know what happens when you hit a wave 4, wave 5 comes. So I don't know if that's going to play out, but that's just me. The daily chart's a little more interesting. We got our wave 5 on October the 18th of 2024. Got 1, 2, 3. And we got an A, B, C into a wave 4. So we got our wave 4. We got our wave 4. And it's mixed. See this number 18, PTI? The probabilities are very low that it's going to go higher. And the reason is because we have penetrated and violated all these. So statistically, the probabilities are very low if we're going to push higher from here. But you never know. But I'm just kind of telling you what the indicators are saying. So let's see if the Black Widow could get some Momo to the upside. Now, what's interesting here, let's see if we could take the Elliott wave out. It's the seasonality. So the green one is what normally natural gas does in February. Kind of, on average, the 14th, very popular. I don't know if it's popular, but it's a swing low. Because I was thinking of April 14th. That's why it kind of popped in my head. I know February 20th was a low of, what was it, 2024? 23, I can't remember. That was a popular, not popular, but I remember that low. And then the 25th, so it was like a fail new low, and then you get a little bump to the upside. So what's interesting here is that this one is the inverted. So this is what really happens, but sometimes you got to invert these things to get a little edge. And with this chart, you could have your average inverted on both. So you kind of see both. So it kind of helps out when things kind of invert. And so far, this worked here, came down, and then right here. So it picked the peak here on the 24th. On the 31st, found a swing low. We did kind of find a swing low here. And then we popped. And then low, retrace, pop, now pulled back. But the inverse is going up. So now the question is it going to continue now that we got our wave 4 here and going to go for wave 5? And Stokes are now, unwinding to the upside. But statistically, it's not high probability trade that is going to end up on a wave 5. So let's say if it is going to go and follow this, but it's just, getting wild and choppy, and who knows what the weather and the demand and all that, you got to peak around the 14th, pull back, and maybe a fail new high on the 25th. That's speculating that it's going to go higher. But let's assume that this thing is going to continue going, and this is the path that it normally takes, will be February 14, Valentine's, there you go, and the 25th, somewhere around this ballpark. A little swing low. So you decide what do you think is going to play out. Elliott wave is going to push it up higher, wave 4 into wave 5. So let's see if it's a wave 5. What do we got? We got a wave 5. There's a projection target of 463. And I know they got to be a higher one yet. So if it's going to get really Momo, 561. So those are your two projection targets. So let's see if any of our targets got hit. So far the main big one was this one, and it kind of pierced it. And you had to watch out for the 17th. I think we did a high on the, I think it was the 13th that we made a high. And then the 16th was a fail new high. And then boom. Then I remember the 27th was statistically a down day and it just collapsed. And now somewhere around the 30th, 31st, we made a low and turned. And we hit our target to the downside, even though we penetrated it. So this was a target that I put anywhere between 322 all the way to 312, and it went down to 303. And it was indicating watch out for the 24th and the 30th. And we got our turn. So not bad, not bad. Now this is the big level back again. Supply zone. Watch out for the ellipse, the 13th. I don't know if that's a Thursday. So anywhere between the 12th, 13, and 14. And 12, 11, 12, 13. I gave it 3 days wiggle here and 3 days wiggle here. So 11, 12 being the hottest day and 13th. And now we're going to push and penetrate this and push higher. I think I have a target hit with a make or break. And this one's past the Elliott wave target, which is 463. So you got a target of 492, midpoint 498, all the way to 505. So this could be your wave 5 or even this. Could be in this ballpark. 17th. Watch out for the 17th here. I think that's it. I'll probably maybe do a video tomorrow with the geometry, more the master chart, but this is just to catch you up on the Elliott wave theory and just kind of see there. Let's look at our cycles. So yeah, kind of a little late, but in the direction, so it kind of worked out. Bottom still not in, and then there's like a fail new low, so we'll see. This is a bigger cycle, but we're in that ballpark. I think it kind of went ahead a little bit, and then it goes up to the 25th. Time clusters, we don't got anything on time clusters. This is going all the way to the 27th, but you know, maybe it could fail here. We're very close to the time cluster. This is on average 25th, 27, 14 lows, or in inverted, which would be highs. Stokes are on the bottom end, so it could probably push higher. MACD, yeah, negative. Oscillators, kind of based out there a little bit. And nothing there, but I really rely more on the Stokes. I'm going to sign out. And also you got a little buy signal from here. These kicked in here from this top. Got a buy signal from here. So let's see how that's going to play out. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that, guys.